Imperatives.
Imperative.
Yeah, imperatives.
Yeah.
Yeah, imperatives.
Yes.
Yeah, what did they talk about?
That criteria is to one to prepare.
Two
To
people.
prepare.
Yeah.
To make uh to as make where uh how do you make your favorite sandwich?
Mm.
Yes. Replying to I can make I can make my favorite sandwich. It is called it a PNT, pancake, lettuce, and tomato.
Yeah.
Yes. It is easy. It is easy to make. For me. Firstly, I slice the tomato, and then I spread the mayonnaise on the toast.
Okay.
After that, I need to fry the bangong, and then I need to fry the bangong, and then uh, I put everything together and like that. After that, I cut the sandwich in half, and I set it cheese or fruit. Yes.
Yeah, that's true. Very good.
Yes. To say back, make I can also make my favorite sandwich. It is easy. It is really. It is. It is also easy for me. But it is a little heavy. It is peanut butter and banana sandwich. Yes. I separate banana. I separate peanut butter on one piece of toast, and then I can add the sandwich into big slices, and then I eat the food eagerly.